Alright, here we go. I don't know any crazy airplane tricks just yet, so.
Here's Mallory.
You're just gonna have to eat
Her
it.
first bite of food. Oh! Almost.
Oh, I knew we'd need a drop cloth. I knew it.
She's okay. Let's try again. Oop, keep it. Mallory.
Keep those hands down.
Oh, look what Daddy's got. She wants to do it herself. Whoa, is that yummy?
How's that?
Was that yummy?
Is that good? Does that taste good, Mallory Quinn?
Ooh.
Now swallow.
Are you playing with your food already?
Is it good? Yeah? Is that good? You like the rice cereal now? You ready for some Fruit Loops?
I know, that's silly. Oh, she likes it.
Can you grab a diaper dough?
Yes. Hey.